In the next video, you will learn how to program your U-bolt in standalone mode. Before programming your lock, make sure it's in factory default mode. To add a new admin code, first hold the Ultraloq button for 3 seconds. You will hear 2 beeps with a flashing green light. Then, enter a 4 to 8 digit admin code and press the Ultraloq button. You will hear 1 beep with a green light and then a flashing green light. Enter the code again and press the Ultraloq button. You will hear 2 beeps with a green light. Then all the lights will go off and you will be able to use your new admin code. To add a new user code, first hold the Ultraloq button for 3 seconds. You will hear 2 beeps with a flashing blue light. Enter the 4 to 8 digit admin code and press the Ultraloq button. You will hear 2 beeps with a green light and then a steady blue light. Enter a 4 to 8 digit user code and press the Ultraloq button. You will hear 1 beep with a green light and then a steady blue light. Enter the code again and press the Ultraloq button. You will hear 2 beeps with a green light. Then all the lights will go off and you will be able to use your new user code. To enable Ultraloq, first unlock your U-bolt. Then, press number 1 button for 3 seconds until the LED turns green and number 1 button blinks. To disable Ultraloq, first unlock your U-bolt. Then, press number 0 for 3 seconds until the LED turns green and number 0 button blinks. To reset your lock, please use the reset needle that is included in the box. And make sure your U-bolt is locked. Push the reset button for around 3 seconds until you hear 1 long beep and 2 short beeps. The LED lights of your U-bolt will turn on. Your U-bolt is now in factory default mode and any code can unlock it.